Chapter 1. The Illusion of Difference. In school, we treat these three ideas as separate chapters: a ratio, a fraction, a percentage. They live in different parts of the textbook, and at first glance they look nothing alike. But watch what happens when we lay them on one bar: 1 to 4, 1/5, 20%. They are not three different ideas. They are one machine, looked at in three ways. On top, the bar reads 1 part to 4 parts. Underneath, 20 out of 100. Same knob, same spot on the line. Today, we build the engine that connects all three, using nothing but pictures. Chapter 2. Slicing the space. Start with the simplest idea of all. A ratio is just a way of slicing space. Here is a chocolate bar. Cut it into 2 blue pieces and 3 brown pieces. That is a ratio of 2 to 3. Now zoom out. Double it and you get 4 to 6. Multiply again and you get 16 to 24. The numbers get bigger, but the balance of colour never changes. That is what we mean by equivalent ratios. And a ratio is not limited to just 2 things. Bring in a third friend and we simply slice the same space into more pieces: 2 to 3 to 5. The idea has not changed at all. Chapter 3. The Universal Grid. But here is the problem. How do you compare one split to a completely different one? The answer mathematicians settled on is beautiful. We force every split into the very same shape, a grid of exactly 100 squares. Count the colours. 20 squares are red, 30 are green, and 50 are purple. 20 plus 30 plus 50 makes 100, the whole grid. And now the magic. 20 out of 100 is 20%. 30 out of 100, 30%. 50, 50%. The word percent literally means for every 100. If you can count the boxes, you can already do percentages. Chapter 4. The Dynamic Stretch. Now let's make the grid move. Picture a price of $100 as a grid, where one row of 10 squares is worth $10. A 20% increase simply adds 20 more squares, 2 new rows, and the price stretches to 120. Going backwards is where almost everyone falls into a trap. An item is 30% off, and the final price is $140. The discount came off the original price, so this 140 is not the whole grid. It is only the 70 squares that are left. So find the value of one square. $140 shared by 70 squares is $2 each. Now bring back all 100 squares of the original, and the answer appears $200. No formula, just the grid. Chapter 5. The Grand Unity. So let's return to the engine we built at the very start. 1 bar, 1 knob. As it slides from empty to full, the ratio, the fraction, and the percentage all move together, because they were never separate things. 25%, 1 part to 3. 50%, a perfect half, 1 to 1. 75%, 3 parts to 1, and all the way to 100. Every name describes the exact same point on the line. Ratios, fractions, and percentages are not 3 separate rules to memorize. They are 3 names for one simple act: dividing and scaling space. Master the picture, and you have mastered the maths. If this finally made percentages click for you, subscribe for the next masterclass. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.